Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about scholarship opportunities in bachelor's, master's and PhD. So in Institute there are some PhD scholarships we can take a look. Also there are master's and bachelor's scholarships. So they are saying that we are looking for highly qualified candidates to apply for the PhD program at INSTA. The 2024 call for PhD is now open. You can submit your application using that portal. So the application deadline is 8 January 2024. Please note that reference letters need to be submitted by 14 January. So you need to provide the details of your supervisor or professor from your previous universities. You need to provide their email address and they will send the link to the professors and your supervisor to upload the recommendation letter. You can read the instructions here. You can click here to download the instructions and read them. Bachelor's and master's students eligible to apply. INSTA welcomes students with different academic backgrounds who can bring their skills and experience to scientific setting. Students with bachelor's and master's degree in biology, chemistry, mathematics, computer science, physics, data science or related areas are encouraged to apply. So if your background is related to these degrees, then you are eligible to apply for that scholarship. How do I apply? INSTA processes application to its PhD program once a year. To apply, you have to create an online account which will allow you to track your application through its various stages. We do not accept application documents received outside of the system. Please fill out the form using web browser on the desktop computer, web browser on mobile device, Android, iPhone. And then what application material are required? You need to provide your CV, statement of purpose, and university transcripts and diplomas from your previous university, and contact information of 3 referees. So you need to provide the 3 referees who should upload the recommendation letter on behalf of you. What are selection criteria? Undergraduate performance, reference letters, statement of purpose, additional relevant skills, transferable skills and diversity. Say a woman in computer science, math, physics, an applicant who switched fields, etc. So they are encouraging the female candidates to apply for that scholarship. Application and selection timeline. So application are open on second half of the October. Application closes early January and pre-selection meeting will be in February. Students interview in March, April, final selection meeting, and then start your PhD in 15 September 2024. So here you can take a look about the guidelines, how you can submit and what is the selection procedure in that document. I'll add the link of this in the description. This is the structure of your PhD program. Okay, you can take a look here. Like in first phase there will be coursework, and you can take a look here. This is the structure of PhD program in INSTA. And also how you can apply is simply you can click here, apply now. After you click here, then you will go to that portal where first you need to register and then you need to log in. I need to register. Okay, here you need to register. After you register, then log in and submit your application. If you will have any question related to that scholarship or how to apply for that in application portal, if you have any question, if you need any information, then you can add the link in the description. I will respond to your comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe to our channel. Take care and yeah, bye bye.